chatting, all that jazz. Been an awesome morning, sounds of the shore, and I'm really hoping to have a great day. I'm going to be paddling this afternoon again. Guys, this has been an epic weekend, full of excitement and exciting things to do in paddleboarding, and I am looking forward to getting back in touch with everybody real soon. And the next thing will be uploading all of the information. It's going to go on to the socials, so keep an eye out for the videos. It's going to be raw.
The further we move on from all those